how to add the shortcuts of a Google Docs document to Google Drive on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Google Docs document, as you can see. Now after you finish editing your document and you want to make a shortcut of it to your drive, click here on file and go down. You will find add the shortcut to drive, and now click on add the shortcut. Now it's there. Let's check to see if it is there. Okay, here is it, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later and thank you so much.